We got an iPhone 12 Pro with no sound from the Earspeaker on the call. This video covers all about the Earspeaker issues on iPhone and solutions. If you call any number and no sound, then first make sure that the volume level is full. This is a loudspeaker volume.
Select your preferred language.
This is an Earspeaker volume. Confirm it full. While you call, no sound in Earspeaker, but on loudspeaker have sound. If you face such Earspeaker related issues, then you are in right place. Power of your iPhone. Such issues have no software related issues. This is a hardware related issues. Always remember. Disconnect the battery and disconnect the LCD carefully. Disassemble the LCD carefully. Force may break the LCD, so always be careful. Don't touch the red mark section while in battery connected state, otherwise dot projector might be damaged easily, causing face ID issues. Most of the users report that after changing the LCD, the face ID stopped working. That is the main cause. If you experience that the sound is going low, means on a step towards the problem. So cleaning the dot on time is the solution. While in daily use, Earspeaker volume level makes the medium, not full. The Earspeaker is also work with ringer and music, so make sure that volume level is not too high. Here you can see a metallic grill over the Earspeaker. So we already cleaned the vent carefully. Force me tear the metallic grill. Dust was badly stuck on. While on daily use, the dust goes to the speaker vent and block. So you have to clean it from time to time, otherwise the speaker was blocked and produce a muffled sound. Even if you don't clean it this time, then air pressure makes speaker damage. That result in you have to replace it and it's costly too. Follow the process to clean it. After cleaning, here you can see the vents are clean, no blockage on Earspeaker now. In my case, the Earspeaker is fused and no sound, so I ordered the new Earspeaker only. So we replaced the good speaker. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution. Peace out till the next time.
कृपया भाषा छनौट गर्नुहोस्. Please select your preferred language. नेपाली भाषाको लागि अङ्क 1